It's a Brent Woofy Radio Show.
Hey kids, it's time!
What time is it, Scott?
It's time!
What time is it, Scott?
It's time for the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. Radio for kids and families. Brent and Woofy bring you 30 fun-filled minutes of music, songs, stories, special musical guests, mystery sounds, jokes, fun facts, and lots of talented kids performing in the studio. Now, here's your hosts, Brent and Woofy.
Hi, Brent and Woofy.
Hello, everybody. This is Brent. And this is my friend, Woofy the dog. Say hi, Woofy the dog. Okay. Hi, Woofy the dog. Welcome to the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. Yeah, it's radio for kids and families. And Woofy, today we've got a very special Mystery Sounds game. Why is it very special? Because today, all the sounds end in ing. End in ing? Yeah, I-N-G. Oh, you mean they all rhyme? That's right, Woofy. Every one of the 8 sounds that we have today ends in ing. And it's your job to figure out what they are. Well, what are they? Well, Woofy, you have to start thinking of words that rhyme with ing. Okay, I will. And we're also going to play Woofy's Word of the Day today. Have you got a special word for us today, Woofy? Yeah, I sure do. What is it? Well, I'm not going to tell you till it's time to do Woofy's Word of the Day. All right, my friends. So sit back and relax and enjoy Brent and Woofy's radio show featuring Brent and Woofy Mystery Sounds, words that rhyme with ing, and Woofy's Word of the Day, right here on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. I'm gonna like this. I like guessing the mystery sounds. I do too, Woofy. It's kind of cool, isn't it? Yeah, I sure hope all the boys and girls can get them. Oh, I'm sure they will. Well, because they all rhyme with ing, right?
Well, it's the place where the farmers go. listening to the Brent and Woofy Radio Show.
Yes, here we are back on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. You just listened to Farmer's Market from a band called Delicious off of their Orange Sherbet CD, a CD that came in the mail. Well, I sure like that when those CDs come in the mail. You bet, Woofy. Now it's time, Woofy. It's time. What time is it, Brent? It's time. What time is it, Brent? It's time for the Brent and Woofy Mystery Sound Game. Here we go. Brent and Woofy Mystery Sound. Okay, kids, get ready for Brent and Woofy's Mystery Sounds. We give you the sound, you guess what it is. And remember, on today's Brent and Woofy Mystery Sound, all the sounds rhyme with ing or end in ing, I-N-G. Oh, this is going to be cool. I can't wait because I can think of some words that rhyme with ing or end in ing. That's good, Woofy. So why don't we just start right off with the Brent and Woofy Mystery Sound Game. Here is Mystery Sound number 1. I think I know what that one is. Does it end in ing, Woofy? Well, it sure does. All right. Well, keep that in mind. And remember, all the mystery sounds end in ing. Here is mystery sound number 2. That one ends in ing, too. They all end in ing, Woofy, or ing. Here is mystery sound number 3.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are.
Brent and Woofy's mystery sounds, they all end in ing. Here is sound number 4. I'm not sure what that one is. Are you sure it ends in ing? You bet, Woofy. They all end in ing. Here's Brent and Woofy's mystery sound number 5. Ding dong. I know what that one is. Well, sure, Woofy, and it certainly does end in ing. Let's try another one. Here's Brent and Woofy mystery sound number 6. Oh, that number 6 has got me fooled. I don't know what that one is. Keep trying, Woofy. Here's another Brent and Woofy mystery sound number 7, ending in ing. And the final Brent and Woofy mystery sound, ending in ing, sound number 8. So there you are, my friends. 8 Brent and Woofy mystery sounds ending in ing. Did you guess them all, Woofy? Well, some of them I got, but I don't know what the other ones are. So we'll play them again later on in the show, and we'll solve them for you. And you can see how many you got right here on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. Brent and Woofy mystery sounds ending in ing. Brent and Woofy mystery sound. Now on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show, we have a song that has some ing words in it, ending in ing. Listen to this song all about counting and see if you can hear the ing words ending in ing. And we'll be right back and see if you guess them. I'll let you know there's 2 of them in this counting song right here on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. Yeah, it's radio for kids and families.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Counting as easy as 1, 2, 3. Count along with me. Yeah, count along with me. I like numbers, they are cool. I like counting, how about you? Try it, it's easy, you'll see. Count to 10 and add 1 more. That's 11, yep, for sure. Come on and count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Count Counting as easy as 1, 2, 3. Count along with me. Yeah, count along with me. Counting's cool, counting's fun. Can you count to 101? Try it, it's easy, you'll see. Count your fingers, count your nose, count your ears and count your toes. Come on and count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Counting as easy as 1, 2, 3. Count along with me. Yeah, count along with me. When you count, you add one more to the number just before. Try it, it's easy, you'll see. Add the numbers one by one. There's no end, you're never done. Come on and count it with me, and you'll see there's no ending, it's infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Counting as easy as 1, 2, 3. Count along with me. Yeah, count along with me. Yeah, count along with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Counting as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Counting as easy as 1, 2, 3 off the Shine, Shine, Shine album. Now, Woofy, yeah. Did you hear those two words that end in ing in that song? Well, sure, one was counting. That's right, counting ends in ing. And did you hear the other one? Oh, yeah, I think I did. And you know what it was? Yeah, it was the word ending. You got it, Woofy, that's right. Yeah, when you said, add the numbers one by one, there's no end, you're never done. Come on and count it with me and you'll see there's no ending. It's infinity. There was ending. That's an ing word, a word that ends in ing. And you know what, Woofy? Here's another really cool thing about that. What is it? There is another word in that song with ing in it, but it doesn't end in ing. Oh, really? What is that word? It is fingers. Fingers. Oh, yeah, it does have an ing. Fingers. Count your fingers, count your nose, count your ears, and count your toes. So there's another ing word in there, but it doesn't end in ing, and that's what we're doing today. We're doing words and sounds that end in ing. Oh, that's right. That's very cool.
You're listening to the Brent and Woofy Radio Show.
Woofy's word, Woofy's word, Woofy's word of the day. That's me. Woofy's word, Woofy's word, Woofy's word of the day. Word of the day. It's time, my friends. It's time for Woofy's Word of the Day right here on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. Woofy, what is Woofy's Word of the Day for today? Woofy's Word of the Day today is refrigerate. Refrigerate, Woofy. Yeah, refrigerate. And what does refrigerate mean? Refrigerate means to make or keep cold or cool as for preservation. All right, Woofy, could you please spell refrigerate for us? Well, sure I can. It's REFIGERATE. Refrigerate. So is that why a fridge is called a refrigerator? Yeah, that's right. You know, they used to call them the ice box. And now we call them a fridge because they refrigerate our food. That keeps it cold or cool to keep it last for a long, long time. Refrigerate. So, Woofy, could you please use the word refrigerate in a sentence? Yeah, sure. Is it okay if I use refrigerator? Sure, you could use refrigerator. Okay, listen to this. My mom took some cheese and wanted to refrigerate it in the refrigerator. That's great, Woofy. And now you know why your refrigerator is called a refrigerator, because it refrigerates. That's right. How does it refrigerate, Woofy? Well, I don't know. You plug it in and turn it on and it makes things cold. Refrigerate. Woofy's word. Woofy's word. Woofy's word of the day. That's me. Woofy's word. Woofy's word. Woofy's word of the day. Word of the day.
And Turalura carried me off to sleep. Family harmony, come let's all gather round. Family harmony, oh what a beautiful sound. My dad sing from inside my mom. He sang Beatles songs in his sweet bass. When I was a baby, there was music all around. I slept in a warm guitar case. Family harmony, come let's all gather in high school, I sang with my friends. My dad helped us harmonize. When we finally got it, we couldn't help but laugh. That sound was such a sweet surprise. Family harmony, come let's all gather round. My wife and my sons, I love the way our voices blend. One day I hope to sing with my grandchildren too, so the harmonies will never end. Family harmony, come let's all gather round. Sound. Family heart.
to the Brent and Woofy Radio Show.
It's the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. We just heard from Two of a Kind from their CD, Sing Me Your Story, singing Family Harmony. And now it's time to solve the mystery sounds right here on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. Well, that's really cool, because I'm really interested in what these sounds are, the ones that end in ing, I-N-G. Well, here we go, Woofy. It's time to solve the mystery sounds. Brent and Woofy Mystery Sound. Here we go, my friends. It's time to solve the Brent and Woofy mystery sounds, sounds that end in ing. Are you ready, Woofy?
Yes, I am ready. I think I know what the first one is.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'll play the sound,
Yeah.
and then Woofy, you guess what it is, and you guys at home, you guess what it is too, and see if you are correct.
Okay, let's go. Let's play the first sound.
Here's Brent and Woofy mystery sound number 1. Sounds that end in ing. Well, Woofy, do you know what that sound is?
Yes, I sure do. That's the sound of an old telephone ringing.
That's right, Woofy. Ring ends in ing. R-I-N-G. Ring.
Oh, that's very cool. What are some other mystery sounds that end in ing?
Well, here's the second mystery sound that ends in ing, Woofy. See if you know what this one is.
Well, I know I've heard that sound before. I just don't know where.
Maybe it was in a movie about submarines, because that is a ping.
Oh, a ping.
Yes, P-I-N-G. Ends in ing. Rhymes with sing. And all kinds of stuff like that there.
Okay, it's a ping.
That's right, Woofy. What do you think the third mystery sound is?
Oh, let's hear it again.
Okay, here we go.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are.
Oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. They're singing.
That's right, Woofy. That mystery sound is sing. S-I-N-G. Also rhymes with ing or ends in ing.
Twinkle, twinkle. That was very cool. What is the next mystery sound?
Here we go, Woofy. Mystery sound number 4. See if you can figure this ing sound out.
Well, that's pretty funny sounding sound.
That's right, Woofy. That is a cartoon spring.
Oh, boing. Hey, that ends in ing too.
That's right, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. It also rhymes with ing or ends in ing.
Well, have you got any more?
Sure, there's some more. Have a listen to this one.
Ding dong. That sounds like a doorbell.
That's right, Woofy. A doorbell goes ding dong, and ding.
Oh, I know. D-I-N-G. Ends in ing.
That's right, Woofy.
Well, let's hear the next one.
Here is mystery sound number 6.
Oh, Brent and Woofy mystery sound number 6 is very confusing.
Do you know what it is, Woofy?
Well, it sounds like that wrapping paper that's made out of plastic.
That's right, Woofy. It's clinging paper.
Cling?
That's right, and that's the sound of paper when it clings together.
Oh, cling.
Yes, C-L-I-N-G. Clinging. Cling.
Oh. That one was a bit confusing. What's the next one?
Mystery sound number 7, right here on the Brent and Woofy Mystery Sounds game. Sounds that end in ing.
Yep, I don't know what that one is.
What another sound ends in ing, Woofy?
Let's see, there's cling.
We did that.
And sing.
We did that.
I don't know. What is this sound?
Well, I'll tell you what, Woofy, since it is a confusing one, I'll play it again for you, and then I will tell you what it is. Ending in ing.
Okay.
Woofy, what does that sound like it's saying to you? What does it sound like?
Well, it sounds like it's going ching, ching,
That's right, Woofy. Ching, C-H-I-N-G. That is the sound of two swords hitting each other. Ching, ching. Oh, that's what a ching sounds like. What's the last one? The last one on the Brent and Woofy Mystery Sounds game is something you'll find in your backyard or at a playground. And it ends in ing? That's right, Woofy. Here's mystery sound, the final mystery sound, number 8. Well, now that sounds like a clothesline or something like that there. Well, it's not a clothesline, Woofy, and I know you'd find a clothesline in your backyard, but I don't think you'd find one in the park. Well, you'll find this in the park? That's right, that's a mystery sound that ends in ing. It is, Woofy, a swing. Oh, that's the sound of a swing creaking. That's right, Woofy. So let's review, Woofy, all the sounds that end in ing. First, we had a ring. Then there was a ping. And then sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Number 4 was the sound of a spring. Number 5 was a ding. Next was a cling. And then there was a ching. And finally, a swing. Well, that was very cool. All those sounds ended in ing. Ing. That's right, Woofy. You had a ring and a ping and a sing and a spring and a ding and a cling and a ching and a swing. Well, that was very cool. And thank you very much for playing along at home with us, kids. Did you get most of those mystery sounds? Well, I got them all after you told me what they were. Very cool, Woofy. Thanks for playing Brent and Woofy's Mystery Sounds, sounds that end in ing. Brent and Woofy Mystery Sound. Well, 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 my friends, we've come to the end of another Brent and Woofy radio show. Already? That's right, Woofy, and we sure hope you had fun solving the mystery sounds that end in ing. Oh, yeah, and don't forget about the word of the day. That's right. Hey, listen, my friends, if you have a word that you'd like Woofy to explain on Word of the Day, why don't you email it to us, bwrs@shaw.ca, or just Google Brent and Woofy Radio Show. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye, Woofy. Goodbye, Woofy. That's the end of the show, but now we've got to go. Say bye, bye, bye. We sure had some fun, but now we've got to run. Say bye, bye, bye. We're Brent and Woofy of the radio show. We sure had fun, but we've got to go. Say bye, 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 bye.
The Brent and Woofy Radio Show was written, directed, produced, and recorded by Brent Lindsay Beeler. Brent and Woofy performed by Brent Lindsay Beeler. The Brent and Woofy Radio Show theme song provided by Brent and Woofy from the CD Under a Star, entitled It Is What It Is. For more information, visit www.bbshows.ca or Google Brent and Woofy. You can also visit Brent and Woofy on Facebook at facebook.com/Brent and Woofy Radio Show. And be sure to follow Brent and Woofy on Twitter using the @ Brent and Woofy, @Brent and Woofy. And check out Brent and Woofy's videos and listen to the Brent and Woofy radio shows on YouTube by searching Brent and Woofy on youtube.com. This is Scott McLeod, and this has been a production of Brent Beeler Shows, copyright 2012.